What happens when a powerful civilization suddenly collapses? Around 1100 BCE, the mighty Mycenaean world falls apart, plunging Greece into centuries of turmoil. Migrations dash across the eastern Mediterranean, leading to widespread instability and change. The political and social structures of Mycenaean Greece crumble, and the Bronze Age gives way to the Iron Age, as iron replaces bronze as the primary material for tools and weapons. Cities are abandoned, writing systems vanish, and trade networks crumble. Walk with your personal classics teacher to dive deep into an often forgotten and neglected chapter of Greek history. Mr. Seeger presents The Story of the Ancient Greeks, Episode 4, The Greek Dark Ages. The Dark Ages earns its name due to the widespread decline in economic, cultural, and political activity. Linear B Greek, the Mycenaean writing system, disappears, and literacy becomes rare. Art, long-distance trade, and skilled industries such as shipbuilding and metalworking vanish, or at least operate on a much smaller scale. For example, art on amphorae and vases resort to simplified geometric designs. Farming persists, but is limited, and the population significantly declines. Power shifts from centralized kingships to local clan leaders and elders, creating a fragmented society. Despite these hardships, this period is not a complete collapse into primitive life. Greeks adapt to their new reality, surviving through small-scale agriculture and local governance. During the Greek Dark Ages, significant migrations and invasions reshaped the Greek world. Legend has it that the Dorians, an Indo-European group from the north, invade and settle much of the Greek mainland, including the Peloponnese. They established new city-states, most notably Sparta, which rises to power in the southern Peloponnese. According to Greek legend, the Dorians were exiled from Greece in the days of Heracles, but have returned from the north and have taken over the Peloponnese in southern Greece. However, no definitive archaeological evidence has yet emerged to support a Dorian invasion. Nonetheless, many displaced Greeks seek new homes across the Aegean Sea. The Ionians migrate from Thessaly to northern Asia Minor, founding a region that comes to be called Aeolia. These settlers bring with them Greek customs and culture, establishing a significant Greek presence in what is modern-day Turkey. Similarly, the Ionians from just north of the Peloponnese settle in southern Asia Minor, creating a vibrant new territory known as Ionia. This migration establishes a powerful Greek cultural and trading presence, with the Ionian cities such as Miletus and Ephesus becoming centers of Greek thought, art, and commerce. The Greek migrations play key roles in dispersing Greek culture and establishing new political and social structures across the Aegean Sea and beyond, influencing the development of classical Greek civilization. But the Greek mainland itself remains in chaos. A famous piece of artwork from this period is the Lefkondi centaur, a unique terracotta figurine dating to around 900 BCE. Discovered in a tomb on the island of Euboea, this artifact is one of the earliest known representations of a centaur in Greek art. The figure, roughly 14 inches, is hand-formed with a human torso merging into a horse's body, featuring a distinctively elongated neck and a detailed, expressive face. The Lefkondi centaur provides valuable insight into early Greek mythology and artistic development, bridging the gap between the Mycenaean past and the emerging cultural identity on the Greek horizon. Around 750 BCE, Greece emerges from the Dark Ages in a dramatic revival. Literacy returns as the Greeks adopt the Phoenician alphabet, sparking a surge in storytelling, record-keeping, and cultural expression. Poets like Homer and Hesiod shape Greek identity, preserving memory and shared values. Art flourishes with new pottery and sculpture styles. Farming expands, populations recover, and advances in shipbuilding restore long-distance trade. The term Dark Ages is initially adopted on the analogy with medieval Europe, with the 8th century BCE acting as a renaissance in Greek history, when the Greeks rapidly reconnect with their Bronze Age past and transition into a new age, called the Archaic Age. In our next episode, we will explore the Archaic Age, a period marking not just a revival, but the dawn of a new era of innovation and growth in Greek history. focusing on the polis, or city-state, one of the most original community structures in human history.